Today we'll be looking at changing the air inlet manifold. Start by taking the engine cover off. When you're going to change the air filter, take the air filter eyes out and take it apart with the screws, change the air filter, put it back. I'm just going to concentrate on just getting straight on with the manifold. The screws against the mat. Just clipped into the back, you just pinch that together and then it's really. So there's two sides to pinch in. Just wiggle the side out. Okay. So that little wiring loom at the back as well. So red at the back, grey to the map sensor, green to the top right sensor, and then the blue to the right sensor. Turn and a little port at the same time, so don't break. Check the brakes, is all good? Yeah, okay. Right, now I just move that to the right a bit, anti-clockwise, and we're going to put a T230 star socket on this, and then do on this model, which is a D4204T engine, turbo, 2 litre, 2009 Volvo V70, and then one at the bottom. And then just, once you've loosened them off with a ratchet, just take the rest out by hand. Obviously be careful not to drop any. What I should have done first before loosening those three is loosen up the hose that connects to it. So loosen that off and little wiggle. Just separate, and then when you get the last little bit, screw out, hold on to that, and just give that a little clean up. And I'm just going to put the screws back in so we don't misplace them, and loosen the top and bottom, couldn't put the metal pipe. Do the same with the bolts over there, and then the securing bracket in the middle. Right, to get to the bottom bolt of this, I've got to take this pipe out of the way, so we'll start with taking this off. Just put on the tip in these. Do the same thing at the bottom. Pipe off, just gently. Loosen the bottom and loosen the top, and that should pop off. Don't use the clip, but we're nearly good. And place gently all around the bottom part of the pipe. back ones is a 10mm socket head. And then the supporting bracket in the middle. Allen key fitting. Finish that off down after. Right, the bottom bolts was a nuisance, we couldn't get at it properly. So took the air filter housing out, moved it to the side, put in a long extension through the gap there, and then just hammered it in, and then on with a ratchet. Happy days. Loosen this off. Let's give it a big right. Here it comes. As you can see, that sits inside, so it needs gunked right up, so that needs a good clean. See, look at that. Right, now we're going to take the electrics off. So before we do, let's disconnect the battery. There's the negative. Loosen that with a 10mm. Disconnect it, put something lubricated so it's not going to reconnect and short. Okay. That out of the way. I believe this is one at the back is the oil breather pipe or something, which is at the top of the rocker cover. The yellow button at the back, just push the yellow button down. Easy off like that. Alright, there's a wire connection clip here, which might be the camshaft sensor. I believe that's got to come out. I'll just put them in for Allen key socket. Loosen it off and take that out. Pen and paper and mark out what's for the air inlet manifold and what's for the rocker cover, because it all comes off as one. So marked all where the bolts are. I've numbered them, so as I take one off at a time, I put bolt 1 with 1, 2, and line them up until I come back to them, because they are different sizes. Done the sensor to the side here. There's a bolt that holds it on, 10mm. Just snap that loose and then undo it with the washer. I'm just going to take the manifold cover off. Just wiggle it at the back. If you pull it from back to front, it's more loose, and just give it some little wiggles until he works itself loose. So, up over the fuel covers. Just take them off if it's easier. Don't know if it's breaking, I think I'll rush it. Wiring loom which is hooked into the back of the rocker cover, which you're going to have to take prise off 2 clips, just prise off it.